If your VLC media player on Android is on only playing sound but showing a black screen or no video at all, don't worry. In this video I will walk you through simple step-by-step fixes to solve the problem fast. So let's get started. So sometimes corrupted cache files can cause black playback issues. Open your phone settings, tap apps, find VLC, then go to storage and cache. Now tap clear cache, and once done, reopen VLC and try playing your video again. Step 2 is enable hardware acceleration. VLC needs hardware acceleration to decode certain video formats. So open the VLC app, tap the three-line menu, go to settings and find hardware acceleration. Set it to automatic or experiment with other options, then restart VLC and check if the video plays. Now check video format compatibility. VLC support most formats like MP4, MKV, AVI and more. But if your file is corrupted or uses an unusual codec, it might not work. Try playing another video. If that one works fine, your file might be the issue. Now you need to update VLC. An outdated version can also cause playback problems. So go to the Google Play Store, search for VLC and tap update if available. Updates often fix bugs and improve video compatibility. If nothing else works, uninstall VLC completely, then reinstall it from the Play Store. This reset all settings and remove any corrupted data. And that is it for today's video. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.